How to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. First of all, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now upload a story if you haven't already. If you have, you simply want to launch open your story. Now, if you tap on the WhatsApp option, tap that. It will directly take you to the status page on WhatsApp. All you want to do is tap on this paper plane icon, and as you can see, the status has been successfully updated. If this option is not available to you, then another way is simply tap on the three dots. Then you will have the option of save photo or save video. Simply tap on that. Once the photo or video has been saved, you can simply head over to WhatsApp and upload that as your status. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.